Hi there. Today we will look into 20 PMP exam questions based on earned value management. It is also known as EVM. I am Mark. Welcome to PMP Exam Express. Please subscribe to our channel and like our content. Let's get into the questions. 1. During a project review, Michael finds that the earned value, EV, is $50,000, while the actual cost, AC, is $60,000. What can Michael infer about the project's cost performance? A. The project is over budget. B. The project is on budget. C. The project is under budget. D. The project's cost performance cannot be determined. Answer: A. The project is over budget. Explanation: when AC exceeds EV, it indicates that more money has been spent than was earned, suggesting the project is over budget. 2. Sarah calculates the Schedule Performance Index, SPI, of her project and finds it to be 0.85. What does this mean regarding the project schedule? A. The project is ahead of schedule. B. The project is behind schedule. C. The project is on schedule. D. The project is under budget. Answer: B. The project is behind schedule. Explanation: an SPI of less than 1.0 indicates that the project is behind schedule since the earned value is less than the planned value. 3. During a budget analysis, Jake discovers that the project's Cost Performance Index, CPI, is 1.2. What does this indicate about the project's cost efficiency? A. The project is over budget. B. The project is under budget. C. The project is on budget. D. The project costs are unclear. Answer: B. The project is under budget. Explanation: a CPI greater than 1.0 indicates that the project is cost efficient, as it is spending less than planned. 4. Emma's project has an EV of $40,000, a planned value, PV, of $50,000, and an actual cost, AC, of $35,000. What is her project's cost variance, CV? A. $5,000. B. Minus $5,000. C. $10,000. D. Minus $10,000. Answer: A. $5,000. Explanation: CV equals EV minus AC. Therefore, $40,000 minus $35,000 equals $5,000. A positive CV indicates the project is under budget. 5. Olivia observes that her project's SPI is 1.1 and CPI is 0.9. What does this reveal about her project's performance? A. The project is behind schedule but under budget. B. The project is ahead of schedule but over budget. C. The project is on schedule and on budget. D. The project is ahead of schedule and under budget. Answer: B. The project is ahead of schedule but over budget. Explanation: an SPI greater than 1.0 indicates the project is ahead of schedule, but a CPI less than 1.0 indicates it is over budget. 6. Daniel's project has a budget at completion, BAC, of $100,000 and an earned value, EV, of $40,000, with an actual cost, AC, of $50,000. What is the project's CPI? A. 0.8. B. 1.0. C. 1.2. D. 0.9. Answer: A. 0.8. Explanation: CPI equals EV divide by AC, which is $40,000 divided by $50,000 equals 0.8. A CPI below 1.0 indicates cost inefficiency. 7. Jane's project has an earned value, EV, of $70,000 and a planned value, PV, of $90,000. What is her project's schedule variance, SV? A. Minus $20,000, B. $20,000, C. Minus $30,000, D. $30,000. Answer: A. Minus $20,000. Explanation: SV equals EV minus PV, so $70,000 minus $90,000 equals minus $20,000. A negative SV indicates the project is behind schedule. 8. Leo's project is facing budget constraints. His CPI is 1.1, but his SPI is 0.85. What should Leo focus on to improve project performance? A. Reducing costs. B. Accelerating the schedule. C. Increasing the budget. D. Ignoring the schedule. Answer: B. Accelerating the schedule. Explanation: since SPI is below 1.0, the project is behind schedule. Improving SPI would help bring the project back on track. 9. In her project, Susan sees an estimate at completion, EAC, of $120,000, while the original BAC was $100,000. What does this imply? A. The project will complete within the budget. B. The project is likely to be under budget. C. The project is expected to exceed the budget. D. The project cost cannot be determined. Answer: C. The project is expected to exceed the budget. Explanation: EAC being greater than BAC indicates that the project is anticipated to go over budget. 10. Paul's project has an SPI of 0.75. If this trend continues, what will likely happen? A. The project will finish early. B. The project will finish late. C. The project will be under budget. D. The project performance is unclear. Answer: B. The project will finish late. Explanation: an SPI of 0.75 means the project is only achieving 75% of its planned schedule performance, so it is likely to finish late if no changes are made. 11. David's project has a budget at completion, BAC, of $200,000, an earned value, EV, of $120,000, and an actual cost, AC, of $150,000. What is the Cost Performance Index, CPI, for his project? A. 0.8, B. 1.25, C. 1.0, D. 0.9. Answer: A. 0.8. Explanation: CPI equals EV divide by AC, so $120,000 divide by $150,000 equals 0.8. A CPI below 1.0 indicates that the project is over budget. 12. Anna's project has an estimate at completion, EAC, of $300,000, while her budget at completion, BAC, is $250,000. What does this mean for Anna's project? A. The project is on track with the budget. B. The project will likely finish under budget. C. The project is expected to exceed the budget. D. The project budget is uncertain. Answer: C. The project is expected to exceed the budget. Explanation: an EAC higher than BAC indicates the project will likely go over budget. 13. Carol's project has a planned value, PV, of $200,000 and an earned value, EV, of $150,000. Which of the following is true about her project schedule? A. The project is ahead of schedule. B. The project is behind schedule. C. The project is on schedule. D. The project is under budget. Answer: B. The project is behind schedule. Explanation: since EV is less than PV, the project is behind schedule. 14. During an EVM review, Mark finds that his project's SPI is 1.05. What can Mark interpret about his project schedule? A. The project is over budget. B. The project is behind schedule. C. The project is ahead of schedule. D. The project is on schedule. Answer: C. The project is ahead of schedule. Explanation: an SPI greater than 1.0 means the project is progressing faster than planned and is ahead of schedule. 15. If Greg's project has an SPI of 0.6 and a CPI of 0.9, which of the following would best describe his project's performance? A. The project is on schedule and over budget. B. The project is behind schedule and over budget. C. The project is ahead of schedule and under budget. D. The project is on budget but behind schedule. Answer: B. The project is behind schedule and over budget. Explanation: both SPI and CPI below 1.0 indicate the project is behind schedule and over budget. 16. John's project earned value, EV, is $30,000. Actual cost, AC, is $35,000. And the planned value, PV, is $40,000. What is the schedule performance index, SPI? A. 1.33. B. 0.75. C. 0.88. D. 1.17. Answer: B. 0.75. Explanation: SPI equals EV divided by PV, so $30,000 divided by $40,000 equals 0.75. An SPI less than 1.0 indicates the project is behind schedule. 17. Lisa's project has an earned value, EV, of $90,000 and a planned value, PV, of $80,000. What can she infer about the schedule performance? A. The project is behind schedule. B. The project is ahead of schedule. C. The project is on schedule. D. The project is over budget. Answer: B. The project is ahead of schedule. Explanation: since EV exceeds PV, the project is ahead of schedule. 18. Stephen's project has a CPI of 1.05 and an SPI of 0.92. What does this suggest about the project? A. The project is under budget and behind schedule. B. The project is over budget and ahead of schedule. C. The project is on schedule but over budget. D. The project is on budget and on schedule. Answer: A. The project is under budget and behind schedule. Explanation: a CPI above 1.0 indicates the project is under budget, while an SPI below 1.0 shows it is behind schedule. 19. Jessica finds that her project's earned value, EV, is $75,000, while the actual cost, AC, is $80,000. Which of the following is correct? A. Jessica's project is over budget. B. Jessica's project is on budget. C. Jessica's project is under budget. D. Jessica's project schedule is ahead. Answer: A. Jessica's project is over budget. Explanation: AC exceeding EV means the project has spent more than it has earned, indicating it is over budget. 20. On a project, Scott calculates an estimate to complete, ETC, as $45,000 and the project's BAC is $100,000. The project has already spent $55,000. What is the project's EAC? A. $90,000. B. $100,000. C. $105,000. D. $110,000. Answer: C. $105,000. Explanation: EAC equals AC plus ETC, so $55,000 plus $45,000 equals $105,000. Thank you for watching. All the best with your PMP exam preparations. Please like our content and subscribe to our channel. We will meet on the next video.